Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Just a quick update here towards the end of the day because we are still, grinding sideways. Ethereum now, just like Bitcoin, has quite a healthy wave 4. Ideally, we don't go much higher, and I'm still expecting another low, one more low. Sometimes you don't get that one more low, and the reason for that is you don't always need to see 5 waves down in a C wave. At the moment, I'm counting the move down as an A, B, C structure with a C wave to have 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the wave 5 to come. It could, of course, be that it's not an ABC, but a so-called WXY structure, and then this move would be complete. However, we looked at that in previous videos. If I take the length of that A wave, go to the high of the B wave, and then compare to, sort of what is the ideal target for a C wave, or what is the ideal target generally. Also, if it was a WXY, we'd normally be looking for the 1-to-1 ratio, the 100% extension, and that is down here at 1691. We looked at targets earlier in the video, and there are a few points or a few fib extensions and support levels that point to this area here around 1660, 1690, the golden ratio. So there are a few levels. If Ethereum manages to break impulsively above our resistance area, which means above 1865, I think we have to make an assumption that the low is already in, as I said before. But if it's only a 3-wave rally, but if it's basically just an A, B, C, even if it goes a little higher, we would still have to assume another low is coming, maybe then in a different structure. But what we ultimately need to see is a 5-wave move, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 3 waves down. That's when I would confirm a low has been made. Until then, we just need some more patience. If we get that one more low, then I think if we then see the next turnaround, then we can assume the low is in. However, if we turn around now, I would want to see a little bit more confirmation, purely because I would have to count it as a WXY pattern, which is a pattern I don't really trust a lot. Normally, you always want to see that ABC correction. Now, if we zoom in a little bit, let's go to the 1-hour chart. As I said, I think it might have done really a more healthy wave 4 now. I think the A wave actually would sit here, then we had a B wave down, and is this a C wave? So far looks very much like a 3-wave structure. It's a bit strange that move up. What I could imagine is happening that this also is a WXY structure, then it would be nearly finished. It can squiggle higher once more, but then it should be it, to be honest. So I'm watching for a top at any time. Just be aware that a move above 1865 would unlock prices to 1889, and then sort of there is limited resistance left, because we might then be in a different structure that I still need to think about. But what we can see here on the way up as well, and that's typical for such a corrective structure, is that what we see here might become some kind of an ascending wedge pattern. They are typically a bit bearish, or like that, yeah. At least we have 3 touch points here, down there. So that would be a confirmation of the wave count, basically. Yeah, these are patterns where you would expect a break to the downside anyway. Yeah. So keep an eye on that. A break of the trend line could be a first indication we are dropping to the downside, and then if we break below 1790, which is the low of the B wave low, or the low of the B wave, that would be additional confirmation that we're heading to the downside. Either way, I keep you updated. Hope you liked the update about Ethereum. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.